Sa isang episode ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda inamin ng aktres na si Rufa Gutierrez na hindi umano sila nag-uusap ngayon ng kanyang boyfriend na si Herbert Bautista. Mahigit isang buwan lang ito matapos soft launch ng aktres ang kanilang relasyon ni Herbert sa kanyang TikTok account. Aniya, we're going through a bump right now, and we're not speaking. So, let's see if that bump will last or will speak again, I don't know. Hindi na dinetalye ni Rufa kung ano ang kanilang pinagdadaanan ni Herbert. Pero aniya, mabuti na rin na nagkaroon muna sila ng space sa isa't isa para makapagdesisyon sila kung itutuloy pa ba nila ang kanilang relasyon o hindi na. Ayon kay Rufa, I've been busy also and he has other things that he should take care of as well when it comes to personal matters. Dagdag pa niya, so, maybe this is also a good time kasi it's been 5 years since we first met again on the set of a project that we did. So, 5 taon, so magandang space to para makita natin kung itutuloy ba or ihihinto natin. Sa kabila ng pinagdaraanan nila ngayon, masayang binalikan ni Rufa ang unang pagkukross ng landas nila noong siya ay 13 years old pa lamang habang si Herbert ay 19 years old. Kwento ni Rufa, ay nako, pinag-uusapan namin ni Herbert yan before kasi when he first met me, I was only 13 years old. Nakasalamin pa ko, kulot-kulot ang hair ko. Hindi ko siya pinapansin, hindi rin niya ko pinapansin. Wala, Dedma, we're just co-stars. And then I remember when I was 17, binigyan niya ko ng libro. Sabi niya, ito basahin mo tong libro na to. Maganda yan para pag tinanong ka sa Q&A sa Miss World, makakasagot ka. So ako naman, my gosh. May pictures ba to? What's this book? That's Herbert. So, even if we're going through a little bump right now, I will always treasure our precious moments because he's the one that encouraged me also to study. Marami akong natututunan sa kanya and for that I'm very thankful. Sa halos 5 taon nilang relasyon ni Herbert, inamin rin ni Rufa na hindi sila umabot ni Herbert sa usapang kasal kasi pareho silang hindi pa ready. Paliwanag ni Rufa, marriage is very difficult. I don't know if I'm ready for that step yet, Herbert's also not ready. I think what's more important rather than discussing marriage is looking for someone that will be your best friend, soulmate, and lifetime partner, kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin pag kinasal kayo na forever. Marami talagang unhappy marriages ngayon, so I think it's someone that you can grow old with, di ba? Whether it's Herbert or whether it's another man, I'm sure, meron yan. What's important is buo ka bilang babae, as a person. Yung love naman, darating na lang yun sa buhay mo to enhance your life. Don't focus too much on love kasi that will follow naman.